Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, for this video, we're going to give you a few reasons on why you should own an AK-47, and we're going to go over a little bit of the history. Alright guys, hope you guys are all having a great day today. As many of you know, the AK-47 is the most prolific rifle in the world. The rifle has been considered the preferred weapon of the enemy for decades. Its popularity increased over the past 10 to 20 years. But before I talk about why you should own an AK, again, let's look at a little bit of the history of the AK. In 1941, the general, Mikhail Kalashnikov, was injured in the Battle of Bryansk. He was hospitalized until 1942. While in the hospital, he listened to several of his soldiers complain about their rifles, and the lifelong tinkerer that he was knew that he had to do something about it. Soon after he was released, he hit the ground running. After several failed attempts, one at the developing of a submachine gun that wasn't accepted, and another one was the M1 Grand. But the rugged design caught the attention of several generals. The M1 Grand rifle, like I said, lost out to another rifle known today as the SKS. In 1947, Avtomat Kalashnikov model 1947 was born. That's the AK-47. That's how it gets its name, from 1947, and Avtomat Kalashnikov, which stands for automatic AK-47. The AK-47 rifle became the standard issued AK of the Soviet Union. Between 1947 and the 1970s, there's been many updates and modifications made to this rifle. These modifications increase the durability and move the receiver from a milled receiver to a stamped receiver. These modifications reduce the cost of manufacturing and decrease the overall weight, allowing for a more agile soldier. The history is fascinating to all of us. The variants we see from other countries like Poland, Germany, Romania, Yugoslavia, etc. The AK is different. First and foremost, it's not an AR-15. The AR-15 has increased dramatically since the global war on terrorism and the 2004 assault weapons ban. Since then, every possible modification, update, and accessory has been made to the AR-15, which frankly just made the rifle kind of boring. The AK has not seen the same updates and modifications up until about 10 years ago. As more people turn their attention away from the American rifle, the AR-15, the next obvious choice for most people, including myself, would be the AK-47. Companies like PSA, Texas Weapon Systems, RS Regulate, and several others burst onto the scene to allow the newly introduced AK enthusiasts to customize their AKs at will. The AK was developed specifically for ease of use because most of the members of the Soviet Union were not educated. It was a very simple design. It had a lever that blocks the action that was easy to understand that this would be the safety of the gun. It had a large knob on the bolt, making for charging the rifle very easy to chamber around. A lever behind the mag that would unlock when pushed made the gun simple to use. Again, this is one of the simplest rifles that was ever made for ease of use, guys. That's a number one factor of why you should have one. Disassembly was planned so that there were no tiny pieces or small parts to lose when field stripping the rifle. This was also an added benefit when it came time for cleaning and maintenance to be done, because it could have been done easily and very quickly. The AKs, everybody knows, thrive in cold weather. It's no mystery that Russia can be very frigid. The large charging handle will let soldiers use their foot to kickstart the bolt should it be frozen shut. The rifle was also built with loose tolerances, which allowed it to work in the harshest conditions like mud, water, dirt, or any other debris that frankly would have stopped most other rifles from working. Another good reason why you should own an AK, because it'll make you a better marksman. There's no doubt that the ARs are better right out of the box, but the AK's disadvantages are its strongest features. If you own one, you know exactly what I'm talking about. In conclusion, it's unfair to say that the AK will ever be better than the AR, Both tools were designed for specific applications and for a particular type of person. However, the AK offers a rich history and the uniqueness of not being an AR. While many people say its simplicity is its weakness, others see it as its strengths. With aftermarket accessories that elevate the civilian AK to a viable battle rifle to use to defend yourself, defend your family, defend your home. For all those reasons, I think everyone should own an AK. And if you still need more reasons, here's 5 right off the top of my head. Number 1, because you can. It's your right. You should use it. Number 2, the ease of use. Anybody can shoot this. Number 3, they make a great defensive firearm. Number 4, they're very, very accurate, even with the cheapest of ammo. And number 5, they're very affordable. Ammo's very affordable. You can buy a box of ammunition for $10, and I've bought in some for less than $10. As the modifications we were talking about, I have several on here. As you see, I got a nice charging handle on here. I got the Soviet Arms rear sight Picatinny mount on here, guys. If any of these modifications you want to see, the videos are on my channels. The Toro Arms, I've been trying to get the Toro Arms for close to a year. They're always out of stock. But I did find the next best thing, and that's the Soviet Arms rear sight Picatinny mount. Guys, you couldn't beat this thing off of here with a hammer. It's very easy to install, and it gives you the option to have a mount. Gives you the option to have an optic on your AK or not to have an optic on your AK. It's up to you. But if you're like me, I wanted to have that option that if I wanted to throw one on there that I could. And for those of you that haven't seen my other videos, I'm going to do a giveaway here in about a week. This here is what I made 3D printed. It's called the M-LOK mount. This mounts to your AR-15 or it mounts to your Magpul upper handguard. And what it does is it fits right in the groove here and locks it in place. And guys, this allows you to store your mag upright with a magazine inserted. This is great for storage because now you have the option to store your rifles vertically or horizontally. And then the other one I came up with, this is the AR-15 buffer tube mount. And what this does, this allows you to, this holds on to your buffer tube on your AR-15, just like this. And you can have your rifle on the left side, or you can do it to the right side. I'm working on one right now that will work with the MOE, the Magpul MOE stock as well, but I'm waiting for some filament to come in. I haven't got any yet right now. I'm out, but as soon as it does, I'm going to make some. As you can see, I have several of them printed right there. So I'm going to be giving about 5 or 6 of each one of these away. So if you guys are interested, I have a nice detailed video of these and how they look and everything else. But again, now we have the option to store your rifles upwards like this or like this. Either way, guys, it's up to you. So if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned to the channel for the updates for the giveaway. Like I said, I'm waiting for the filament to come in. As soon as it gets here, I'll let you guys know, and I'll give out a few to you guys. So you guys that follow my channel, you know I do a lot of giveaways. I love to help people. Let me know what you guys think, what your guys' thoughts on it. Hopefully you go out and get yourself an AK. I promise you it'll change your life. If it doesn't, I'll buy it off you for what you paid for it if you don't want it. But I promise you it'll change your life. I have AKs and I have ARs, but this is great for a SHTF situation or anything else, guys. It's very easy to work and use, to clean, to shoot. It's so much fun. Like I said, it'll change your life, I promise you. With that, I hope you guys all have a great day. Please be kind to one another, and God bless America. Have a great day, guys.